Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful Windows 10 feature that many users never see. This feature is called Verbose Boot Mode. This feature allows Windows to display detailed messages during startup, shutdown, and restart. Instead of showing simple loading animations, Verbose Boot Mode shows exactly what Windows is doing during startup and shutdown. This lets you know which driver, service, or update is causing the slow startup, helping you identify startup applications that are delaying your access to the desktop. It also provides crucial information when your computer gets stuck on the welcome or restart screen without displaying a clear error message. To enable Verbose Boot, we need to access the Windows registry. Go to the search box in the taskbar and type Registry Editor. And make sure to select Run as Administrator. This ensures we have the necessary permissions to modify system settings. I recommend creating a backup of your system registry. Having a restore point is a crucial security measure for any IT professional or hobbyist. Once the registry editor is open, we need to navigate to a specific folder. You can use the navigation tree on the left, or simply paste the path shown on the screen into the address bar at the top. I'll leave the path in the video description. This folder contains the basic policies that control how Windows handles the startup and login environment. Now, we need to create the specific key that tells Windows to display those detailed messages. Right-click on the system folder, and from the menu, select New, then choose the DWORD 32-bit value option. Name the new key, VerbosedStatus, as a single word, directly as the name. It's important to type the name correctly, so Windows recognizes the command. Next, double-click the VerbosedStatus value you just created to change the value data from 0 to 1, then click OK. To save the changes, you can now close the System Registry Editor window. The system is now configured to provide you with complete transparency during the next restart process. And now it's time to see the results. I'm going to shut down my computer, so you can see the difference immediately. As you can see on the screen now, along with the usual blank shutdown message, Windows is giving me detailed information about what's happening in the background. It's currently shutting down the group policy client, followed by the background intelligent transport service, and even the telemetry services. The messages you see here are specific to my system. You may see other services or drivers being shut down on your device. This is a very useful feature, because if your device malfunctions or freezes during shutdown, these messages will tell you which service is causing the delay. Also, during the startup process, you'll notice that Windows no longer hides behind the loading screen. It displays everything. Drivers are loaded, and all system checks are performed. If you experience slow startup, pay close attention to these messages. Windows will literally tell you if it's waiting for a particular process to finish. You can see it happening in real time. Whether you're a system administrator or just someone who wants more control over their device, this tool will likely be useful to everyone at some point. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.